Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a makeup transformation video on how I made my Fairykei slash magical girl look for the Sailor Moon screening event tonight. So I already have my face primed. Products that I used to get myself started is I used my Aveeno lotion to moisturize my face, the Luminizer primer as my base, the Pore Professional to, fill in the pores so they're not obvious to see on my face. Urban Decay's Potion Primer for my eyes. For foundation, I am using Smashbox Studio Skin, the shade 0.5 because I'm super pale. NYX High Definition Concealer, which I think to me is better for my face than my Too Faced concealer. To lock everything in place, I used the Kat Von D setting powder translucent as the shade. I also have my blue contacts in. I did not put in the ones I won from my contact giveaway. If you must know where I got these contacts, I got them off of Honey Color when they had a sale, like buy two and get two for free. Without further ado, let's get started. For our first shade, we're going to use this pastel pink here, and we are going to blend it all around the brow bone, giving it a nice soft look. Next, we are going into this pastel blue purple shade, and we're going to pat it on the eyelid and then slowly blend it out, giving it a nice pink, purple, and blue gradient look. Next, I am putting this under my eyelid. I really wanted to give it a really nice all-around look and blended it out. We are going back to this pink shade we started off with, and I'm putting it against that bluish purple shade we just put under our eyelid and blending it out evenly to give it a nice, beautiful gradient look. And then adding a little bit more of this purplish blue shade where I just added the pink just to give it a more blended look. For the first time ever, I am grabbing glitter glue and then pulling out my Kat Von D Metal Crush palette using the pink shade and using as a teardrop kind of a look that I'm going here. I have never used glitter for makeup, so this was really new to me and I took my time into doing so. Next, we are going into this liquid eyeliner and then dotting my face with it to give it a more sparkle slash galaxy look in a way, to give it a unique Fairykei slash magical girl look. With the same liquid eyeliner, I am now using it as an eyeliner and giving myself some wings. The white is a really good contrast color, so this will make my look pop out more around my eyes. Diving in our eyelashes that I got from Ardennes, and pulling out my Duo eyelash glue, and then applying to my eyelids very gently. Took me a few tries, but I got it. Pulling out my Wonder Beauty mascara and applying it to my eyelashes. Going back to that purplish blue shade and using it as for my eyebrows. I honestly love this color for my eyebrows. It worked beautifully for this look. Then using NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade of white, applying that to my lower eyelid to make my eyes pop out more. Magical Girl Transformation! Hello! For my hair, I am using this pink, blue, and purple gradient wig I got from AliExpress. And to make it more magical, I am attaching clips I bought from Anime North this past May from the store called Twilight in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And my cookie necklace that I got at Anime North as well from someone else. To complete this look, I am using Kat Von D's liquid lipstick for my lips in the shade Requiem. And here is my outfit for the day slash for the event tonight. My sweater is from Ocean and Space. Her work is awesome. My shirt is from my kawaii box that I got from Pastel Pixie. And my skirt is from Urban Planet. And that is it for this makeup transformation video. If you guys like this magical girl slash Fairykei makeup look, please give this video a nice like. Also, hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos such as these. I'd like to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!